Here's the goal: connect a device to ControlBird and watch its data start showing up live, no code involved. In Device Manager, we start a new device on Modbus TCP, the protocol a lot of industrial sensors and PLCs already speak. Name the device, then point it at where it actually lives, host and port. In this demo, that's a Modbus service running right here on this box, standing in for whatever's live on your own network, but the fields work exactly the same either way. And that's genuinely all the wiring this takes. One point to add: which register holds the value, what type it is, and which direction read, since this demo is only listening in. This one reads straight off input register 0, the temperature channel on this device's register map. Pick which node should run it and click Create. In a moment, the wizard confirms the device exists, and it's already out there polling that register on its own schedule. There's no deploy step and nothing to restart. The moment it exists, it's working. Open it back up in the tree, and there's the point already live. Watch the row, it keeps updating on its own, no refresh, no page reload, nothing to babysit. That's the connection working end to end. And that's the whole flow: pick a protocol, tell it where to look, and ControlBird takes it from there. Next time, we build a rule chain that reacts to a reading like this one automatically the moment it changes.